Weather idioms. Under the weather. It means to feel not good. I think that she is a bit under the weather at the moment. Rain cats and dogs. It means to rain very heavily. It's getting dark. It will rain cats and dogs soon. To be as right as rain. It means everything is going well. I'm feeling not good right now, but I will be as right as rain in a few days. Take a rain check on something. It means a refuse or not accept an invitation to do something for the time being. Mind if I take a rain check on that drink? Saving up, keep money for a rainy day. It means to save or keep money for bad situations. Luckily, he had saved some money for a rainy day. Come rain or shine, it means whatever happens. Come rain or shine, we will see together on Tuesday. To chase rainbow. It means to chase something will not happen. He has been chasing rainbow 5 years. It's a breeze. It means it's easy. You will not have any problems passing the last exam. It's a breeze. To get wind of something. It means to hear about something that it has been a secret. I don't want my classmates to get wind of the fact that I got married. Break the ice. It means to relieve or get more comfortable or relaxed. She tries to break the ice by talking with strange person into this convey. To be skating on thin ice. It means to be in a dangerous situation. She is skating on thin ice by bringing drugs to school. My mind is in a fog. It means to confused. My mind is in a fog with these chemical formulas. To have a face like thunder. It means to be in a bad mood or extremely angry. My boyfriend came back house with a face like thunder. A ray of hope. It means a small of hope in the difficult situation. This new medicine provides a ray of hope to cancer person. Be on cloud 9. It means to be extremely happy and excited. He's been on cloud 9 when she agreed his proposal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.